To change the speed of your footage in Premiere Pro, there are a few methods you can use. Let's dive into each one. First, if you want to adjust the speed of a clip, right-click on it in the timeline and select Speed Duration. Here you can enter a percentage value to either speed up or slow down the clip. Entering a value greater than 100% will speed up the clip, while entering a value less than 100% will slow it down. You can also drag the blue speed value for a more intuitive adjustment. Keep in mind that changing the speed will affect the clip's duration, so enable the Ripple Edit option to avoid gaps in your timeline. Another method is to use the Rate Stretch tool. Click and hold on the third tool down and select the Rate Stretch tool. With this tool, you can drag the end of any clip to change its speed. However, note that in the current version, there's no automatic adjustment for trailing clips when speeding up, so you may need to reconnect them manually. Also, it won't allow you to slow down the front clip when they're next to each other unless you make space with slowing down your clip first. Finally, you can use time remapping to adjust the speed of your clip. Expand the track height until you see a line going through it. Then right-click on the clip and select Show Clip Keyframes, then Time Remapping, and then Speed. Now you can drag the line in the middle of your clip up or down to increase or decrease the speed. This method allows for more precise control, especially for speed ramps and advanced editing techniques. And that's it for changing the speed of your clips in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.